again, 8th grade, and welcome back to English class on Rawafidi channel. This is teacher هناء خيز, and we are going to have Unit 9, Period 3. طلابنا الأعزاء، أهلا وسهلا بكم مجددا في درس جديد من دروس اللغة الإنجليزية للصف الثامن، الوحدة التاسعة، الدرس الثالث. هيا لنبدأ. First, look at these pictures. Picture 1, 2 cats, 1 lemon, 4 cars. As you see, some nouns, we can count them. 1 pen, 1, 2, 3 pens. We call these countable nouns. بعض الأشياء يمكن عدها ونسميها الأسماء المعدودة. Now, look at these pictures. Milk, strawberry jam, sugar, juice. Can we count sugar? No. Some nouns can't be counted. We call them uncountable nouns. بعض الأسماء لا يمكن عدها وتسمى الأسماء غير المعدودة. There is a tomato. There are 4 tomatoes. Notice, tomato is a countable noun. When there is one, we say a before the word. When there are more, we use the plural s at the end. We also say there is for singular and there are for plural. There is milk in the cup. Milk is uncountable noun. الأسماء غير المعدودة تأتي دائما على صيغة المفرد، لا يسبقها a أو an ولا يتبعها اس الجمع ونعاملها معاملة المفرد. We say there is milk. Let's have another example. There is jam in the jar. Jam is uncountable. We can't count it. We say there is jam, not there are. Now, let's practice. Correct the underlined mistakes. 1. There are a lot of sugar in my cup. The correct answer is لأن الكلمات الغير معدودة نعاملها معاملة المفرد. 2. There are 5 fingers in my hand. Can you correct finger? Great, fingers. Because it's countable, we use the plural s. Now, look at this plate. There are some apples in the plate. The noun apple is countable, so we use some with countable nouns. نستخدم some مع الأسماء المعدودة. Picture 2. There is some water in the bottle. Water is uncountable. We also use some with uncountable nouns. نستخدم some مع الأسماء غير المعدودة. What about this picture now? Are there any bananas in the picture? Look carefully. Good! There aren't any bananas in the picture. Notice, this is a question and a negative sentence. So, we use any questions and negative sentences with countable nouns. نستخدم any في السؤال والجمل المنفية مع الأسماء المعدودة. Well, is there any rice in this bowl? Nice! There isn't any rice in this bowl. Rice is uncountable. So, as we see, we use any with uncountable nouns too. كما نرى نستخدم any مع الكلمات الغير معدودة في السؤال والجمل المنفية any questions and negative sentences. Let's see together what we have learned. We use some in affirmative sentences with both countable and uncountable nouns. نستخدم some في الجمل المثبتة مع الكلمات المعدودة والغير معدودة. We use any questions and negative sentences with both countable and uncountable nouns. نستخدم any في السؤال والجمل المنفية مع الكلمات المعدودة والغير معدودة. How about doing an exercise now? Some or any. 1. Is the tomato paste? Beautiful. Any. 2. There are desks in the class. What's the answer? Nice. Some. There are some desks in the class. 3. There aren't tables in my room. Some or any? Well done. Any. There aren't any tables in my room. Great job, my dear. The last part of our lesson. Look, how many books are there? There are 5 books. We use how many to ask about the number of countable nouns. نستخدم how many للسؤال عن العدد مع الأسماء المعدودة كما في المثال كم عدد الكتب. I ask Mom, how much olive oil do you need? She says, I need a little, not much. We can't use how many here because we can't count olive oil. So we use how much to ask about the quantity of uncountable nouns. نستخدم how much للسؤال عن كمية الأسماء الغير معدودة مثل السؤال عن كمية الزيت التي تحتاجها الأم. Our final exercise, choose how many or how much. 1. Eggs are there. Great! How many? How many eggs are there? 2. Students are in the class. Students is countable. So, the answer is also how many. How many students are there in the class? 3. Sugar do you want? Now, sugar is uncountable. So, we ask with how much? How much sugar do you want? Beautiful answers. You are magnificent. Here we come to the end of our lesson today. Today we learned countable and uncountable nouns, some and any, how much and how many. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye-bye.
بعد مشاهدتك للفيديو
والسلام على
يتوقع
الأخ والمرسل